Morning, everyone. It's 8:50, and I want to apologize for last night. Evidently, there was a problem with YouTube uploading my closing comment. So I'm sorry that you didn't get to see that. But here we are back again Friday morning, and we had some big news around. Asia and Europe are both slightly higher, and in fact, China reported truly an unbelievable number for GDP, up 18.3%. And there were a couple of stories on CNBC and Bloomberg about how they're building yet another new city from scratch that will be the size of New York, Philadelphia, and excuse me, and Los Angeles combined. So they have plenty of people to move there, but let's see how that goes. QuantumScape, QS, says that they're standing by their data on their breakthrough battery technology. The stock, in case you have missed it, has gone from 12 to 132 and is back to $36. So we'll see how that goes. Pfizer says that you're going to need a yearly booster, most likely, for their vaccine. And also in vaccine news, Johnson & Johnson looks like now it'll be weeks, not days, for the pause for them to figure out what's going on there. The NFL signed a deal with Caesars, FanDuel, and DraftKings, and DraftKings is up at $60, up about $2.50, and so that's an improvement. Alcoa beat top and bottom. Stock is basically unchanged. Morgan Stanley beat top and bottom, but they surprised the street with a $911 million loss tied to Archegos. So the stock is trading in the neighborhood of 80, down about 82 cents. Wolf came out and upgraded Cisco, and that is 52.27, up 63 cents. And Bank New York Mellon, symbol BK, also beat $48.50, up 49 cents. So we had the housing starts at 1.739, which is an improvement. Expectations were 1.62 million. Permits were also up, but only slightly, 1,766 versus 1,750. And we will have consumer sentiment in a little while, and basically the market is up a little. We have the Dow up about 77, the NASDAQ up about 35, and the S&P up 8.5. The chart on the screen is the gold, and clearly we broke out. We've continued higher today, which is a really good sign for this, up another $15 after yesterday's $30. Same situation with the silver. We'll just take a look and see how much that's up about 30 cents. So a little more subdued in the silver, but that's on the basis of something that outperformed yesterday, and basically while they move together, they haven't really been aligned in dollars and cents. But as you can see, we clearly have a upward leaning chart as opposed to the gold we have broken out. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that. If we get a little bit of a pullback, I'm probably going to want to trade the AGQ, which is the ETF, leveraged ETF. Oil is up about 7 cents, and copper also up a little, just under a penny. The bonds, which were up a full 2 points yesterday, have given back a little over half of that today. So I'm going to guess that part of that was some short selling. And Bitcoin is down 2,790 at 61,000. That's pretty close to the low, 60,165. And a look at that chart shows just a consolidation and a little bit of a pullback. If we stay above this 59.5, 60,000 area and consolidate, we'll just be ready for another leg up. All right, everyone, don't forget to subscribe and have a good weekend.